Hello friend and welcome back. Today we are going to make this fava bean salad. I hope you like it and you enjoy it. I'm going to use 3 chopped tomatoes, little bit of onion and cilantro and 2 lime. I use 3 tablespoons of tahini, and I will use this fava beans. I will wash it with water. I squeeze the lemon to the tahini and I mix them so good. I add some salt and black pepper. Then I will add the fava beans that I already washed. I try to squeeze the fava beans with the fork like this. Now I will add the chopped onion and chopped cilantro. Now I will add the tomatoes and mix them all. And now our salad is ready. I really advise you to try it because it's so tasty. And if you visit my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video and share it with your friends. Bye, see you soon.